Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a status page showing the picture of the users being granted access to those two doors. All right, it's very simple, but we had a few calls from clients recently asking for this feature, so I decided to make a video of it. All right, so let's have a look at the system, the GX system now. I'm going to show you how to link photos to users and how to create the page. So that the picture shows up on each access granted event. All right, so let's have a look. All right, so for this feature to work with the GX system, you must have the GX Photo ID license. All right, so it's not included with the standard GX software. So you need to purchase, the feature from your distributor, and then download the license when it's confirmed that it's been added, and then it's going to show up. All right, so first thing to do is to make sure users will have a photo. All right, so if we go to this Users tab, you select the user, go to Photo, and then you have the photo assigned here. So all my users have photos assigned. All right. The next step, under Monitoring, Setup, and then Status Page Editor, you need to create a new page. All right, which will basically run an event report in a loop. In the previous video, we showed you how to create event filters and special reports. In this case, I did a filter to just capture user events on my two doors, all right? And then I assigned this to a report. So, if you want to know how to do this, you can refer to the previous videos on that, all right? So I create a new status page. The type will be event window. The filter that I'm using is the one I created earlier. And the style, it's important, you need to select display user image, all right? And then you save. Now, when you go to monitoring and status page view, you select this page, and as you can see, for every event, like that, a new photo will be loaded. So that's the photo assigned to the user, okay? Now, when you first go to that page, the photo or the image field will be at the far right. So what you need to do is to grab it from here and then move it to the left so that it's displayed, before the description of the event, all right? And then when you close the client software, it's gonna remember this position for the tab, so it's gonna always come to that when you reopen the software. All right, so again, it's very simple. This can be useful for a security guard to confirm that this is indeed the user that just badged on the door, and it's not someone that took the card of somebody else, for instance. All right, so I hope you liked the video. This was how to add the user's photo in events reports for status pages. All right, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button to follow us, and also if you need help from our sales team or support teams, you can reach them via the Inaxsys.com website. All right, again, thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.